Most anglers see a boulder or a set of rocks in a river and assume that the trout or salmon are lying behind the structure out of the current. What many do not realize is that often fish will hold in front of a boulder in a zone referred to as the hydro cushion or pillow. The current will frequently create a small area where fish can easily hold and continue to hunt for food. Wise anglers understand this and will always swing a fly either on top or below the surface in front of this type of structure.
There's a take. Oh, nice. I think it's a trout. Yeah. Awesome.
Some very big fish will take advantage of the hydro cushion to easily hold in fast current. Why do anglers love Atlantic salmon so much? It has much to do with how they fight. They jump, pull line off your reel, and cartwheel through the air. Once an angler has hooked into one of these silver leapers, then they're usually addicted, like I am.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.